Alright guys, so right here is one of those shipping bolts. So we just gotta undo it. There's 4 of them, and you gotta remove these before you use the washer. And it's gonna get to a point where it's real easy. You just pull it out, just like that. So we got these covers. So now we just gotta fill them. And we got 4 of them, so bottom right. So I noticed we got a couple more holes. We got one over here, hard to see I know, and one down here. With your new lines, you gotta have these washers. So we're gonna throw one on one side and one on the other. If you want to mark the hot and cold, you can. It's up to you, but I'm not going to do it because we know what side it's going to go in on the other side, and it's just in line with each other. So I'll probably get a tool or a wrench just to tighten that down a bit, and we'll throw it. We'll make sure we get a wrench, tighten that down, get it thrown in there. And this is another way to save money, guys. You don't have to... Now, a lot of places do offer free installation, but sometimes they'll charge 80 bucks to hook up a washer and dryer. And it's something that you guys can do. It's not very difficult, but if you wish to spend whatever it is, and sometimes they do free hookups, then, I mean, free hookups, might as well take it, right? No quorums there. This little thing right here. Now it's going to connect. Just like that. Gotta make sure it gets where that bend is in the hose. And same thing over here. Just walk that around, just like that. This side is going to go in the drain. Once you push that closer, that's just going to go right up in there and kind of sit down in there. But we're going to go grab a wrench real quick and make sure we tighten those connections up. And of course, power. Alright, just tighten these up. Not too much, just watch it for 6 seconds. Make sure we have these. Okay, I'll set up. Alright, so we got that in. The hose is going to go right on here. We're going to clamp it down with the clamp and then just plug 240 into it, into right here, which we have right up here, and it should be easy, good to go. Okay, that's all. It's looking good. Alright, so now we're just going to take that out. Slap that guy in. And this is ready to get pushed back. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like. It looks really good. Like I said, I'm not too happy about the box being right there and the plug being so high. I wish it was down further. We're not going to change that at this phase. And yeah, so far though, it looks really good. I did tell you about the little deficiencies that I wish it had, but so far it looks excellent. Super excited, man. It looks so sharp. Can't wait. So nice thing about this, guys, it does have a smart control. I'm not quite sure what that means, but if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure you can have it synced with your cell phone, and it'll tell you when your load is done or about to be done. See, it has a Bixby, so that's the way you're able to connect it wirelessly, and same with the dryer too. And yeah, you got your smart control. I think you can pause it, you can start it all from your phone, so that's kind of cool. Again, some people might say it's a little bit too much for a rental. Yeah, but you know what? These had really good reviews, and some of the lower end models didn't have very good reviews, and we want something that's going to last. So this is why we picked this kind of, and it looks excellent. The color, the scheme, everything, it just ties in so nicely with the floor, the baseboard, and the wall. I just think it really ties the space together. That's how we got it. Let's see what the smart control is. App, I think you have to get the app, I guess it says, but that's okay. I don't have the app. That's it. That's all. Like, it's pretty simple. Same with the dryer. Light comes on. Things are pretty simple. You got your vent right here, and it's it's just a simple, basic washer and dryer. And this is what it is. So if you guys kind of like this, or tell me what kind of washer and dryers you guys throw in your rental, or what kind of washer and dryer that you might have at home, and tell me what you guys like and use. I'd love to hear about that stuff. So I'm super happy with the look and everything this is for these washer and dryers. I think it's really going to be one of those things that adds people's attention, brings the attention of people to come to the rental, and hopefully we can get it rented out for one, a decent price, and also for somebody that's going to actually take care of it quite nicely. With all the renovations we've done this far, I think that would attract the right people, and hopefully that's the case. So from here, this angle, looks pretty damn good, and got a nice little area right here. You can put a little bench or something. We're not going to put one in, but somebody could buy a little bench to sit down and take off your shoes and stuff like that right here. It's a little mud room, and that's a washer and dryer for it. So yeah, that's it. We got to install the door still. I think after the door is installed, it hopefully will clear and be good to go. But yeah, we just hung the door, got the door back in. We're gonna put our stopper on the floor, and then we should have enough room to get some laundry in. Should be all right. This kind of stuff, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, like, share, subscribe. You can leave a comment down below of tell me what you guys thought about this, and don't forget to hit that bell for notification, guys. So thanks guys for watching, and don't forget, never stop learning.